morning, dear students. Look here. Already you studied that angle in a segment is half of the central angle of its alternate segments. Is it all? And you studied that cyclic quadrilateral also. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplemented. And here angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. If O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter. Diameter divides arc ADC and arc ACB. Both of them are half of circle. Half of circle means semicircle. So semicircle means the central angle is already 180 degree. Angle of a circle is 360. So angle of a semicircle is 360 by 2, 180. And if this angle is 180, you studied that this is half of this angle. That is 180 divided by 2 equal to 90. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Is it over? Look at the figure. In figure, O and O dash are centers of the circle. AB and AC are automatically diameters. BPC are collinear. Collinear means it's a straight line. Prove that BPC are collinear. That's in a straight line. Are you ready? Remember, AB and AC are diameters of circle. It touches at A and B. The circles touches at A and B. Are you ready to? Look at that. Now, if you draw AP, that means join AP. You know, AB is diameter, therefore angle APB equal to 90. Similarly, AC is also diameter, angle APC. APC is also 90. That is, you studied now that angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Already now you studied that. This part is a semicircle, therefore this is 90 degree. This part is a semicircle, this angle is 90 degree. That is, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. It's clear. So APB plus APC. Angle APB plus angle APC is 90 plus 90. That's equal to 180 degree. And they are 180. They are added to that 180 means they are linear pair. Linear pair, is it clear? You write the line by linear pair. Therefore, BPC are in a straight line. You clear that? BP plus PC is equal to BC. There is linear pair. You see that? Therefore, BPC are in a straight line. Clear the question? Okay, next. The question is, look at that. O is the center of the circle and ABC is an arc. D is a point on the circle and it is given this angle is 140 degree. Look at the figure. Angle AOC equal to 140 degree finds angle ABC and angle ADC. Are you ready? Angle AOC equal to 140 degree, angle ABC is 140 divided by 2 equal to 70 degree. Remember that? Angle in a segment or angle in an arc is half of the central angle of alternate arc. Now this is 70 degree. And another question is angle ADC. ADC equal to, you studied these two angles are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is cyclic. Therefore, angle ADC is 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. These two angles added to get 180 degree because they are cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplemented. You see that? One more example. Another circle is given and the same name ABC, central angle, and here it is D. Same figure. The question is, it is given here 50 degree. You want to find angle AOC and angle ADC. The similar type of the previous question, and AOC is 50 into 2. In the previous problem you studied this angle is half of that angle. So that angle is double of this angle. So AOC is 50 into 2 equal to 100. Okay? And angle ADC, angle ABC are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral and they added to get 180. So this angle is 50. So what is that angle? ADC 180 minus 50, that's equal to 130. Is it clear? It carries short answer question 1 mark or 2 marks. Is it clear? ഇതാണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇതിൻ്റെ പകുതി പോലെ ഹാഫ്. ഇത് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ 180. They add it to get 180. Clear the lines? Clear the steps? Okay. Then another one comparatively larger problem. Maybe it carries 2 marks or 3 marks. Look here. Now the figure is same. And it is given here 40 degree and 30. Already. We want to find angle ABC, angle AOC and angle ABC. Comparatively larger problem. Here it is the center of the circle. Already. Now see the triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, look the OA equal to OB. They are radii of the same circle. Similarly, OB is equal to OC also in triangle BOC. OC equal to O. You see that? So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Either 40 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ എത്രയാണ് വരിക 40. You look at the position with the gap. Similarly, this is 30, this is also 30. So your line is angle OAB equal to angle OBA equal to 40. Similarly, angle OCB equal to angle OBC equal to 30. Is it clear? First of all, you will write this line. They are isosceles triangle. And if this angle is given as 40, automatically this is also 40. Similarly, this angle is 30. Either രണ്ട് equal ആണ്, ഇത് രണ്ട് equal ആണ്. So what is angle ABC? Look at the figure. It is given 40 plus 30, 40 plus 30 equal to 70. Any doubts? And if that is 70 degree, what is the central angle of the opposite arc? 70 into 2, 120. You studied in the previous problem. And what is this angle? That is bicyclic quadrilateral theorem. Angle ADC plus angle ABC equal to 180. Therefore, angle ADC equal to 180 minus opposite angle is 70. That is 110. This angle is given, this is equal. This angle is given, you get this angle. Total is 70, double is 140. Here it is 180 minus 70 equal to 110. You look at the figures, look at the position of the angles, is it clear? Okay, you prepare well the video, watch well the video, then answer it. I will give you home assignment later. Okay, all the best.